Militer Rusia merilis rekaman video rudal jarak jauh presisi tinggi mengenai sebuah bangunan di Slaviansk, kota Donetsk. Rudal yang dilengkapi kamera menyasar gudang keramik. Dalam tayangan, rudal menghitung mundur menuju sasaran. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov 10 Juli mengatakan ada 100 tentara Ukraina di dalam gudang. Juga terdapat 1000 amunisi artileri berat howitzer 155 mm 777 dari Amerika Serikat. Serangan mengakibatkan eliminasi 100 prajurit Ukraina dan amunisi dari Amerika Serikat, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Dalam 24 jam terakhir, secara total, 242 pesawat Ukraina dan 137 helikopter, 1.506 kendaraan udara tak berawak angkatan bersenjata Ukraina hancur sejak awal invasi. Juga 353 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 3.995 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 741 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.127 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.128 unit militer khusus, kendaraan hancur selama operasi, kata Igor. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis 100 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Hingga hari 136 invasi Rusia, total 37.300 tentara Rusia meninggal. Belum ada tanda-tanda konflik berakhir. Amerika Serikat kembali mengumumkan bantuan militer ke Kyiv termasuk rudal jarak menengah HIMARS.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision ground-based weapons struck temporary deployment point of Ukrainian artillery unit and ammunition depot on the territory of ceramic factory in Slaviansk. Up to 100 personnel, more than 1,000 artillery shells for US-made M777 howitzers, and about 700 rockets for Grad multiple launch rocket system were destroyed. In addition, Russian aerospace forces have hit 3 command posts near Solidar, Minkovka and Bakhmut in Donetsk People's Republic, 16 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, including Kraken nationalist formation near Kharkov. To replenish the large losses in personnel, the Ukrainian military command has increased the sending of untrained reservists to the front, who are being forcibly recruited in Kharkov, Dnepropetrovsk and Poltava regions. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery destroyed 17 command posts, 4 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems, and 2 hangars near Konstantinovka with US-made M777 howitzers, which were used to shell residential areas of Donetsk, 42 areas of artillery units in firing positions, as well as 143 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration have been neutralized. As part of counter-battery fighting, 1 platoon of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems near Konstantinovka, 1 platoon of Grad multiple launch rocket systems near Dzerzhinsk, and 2 artillery platoons of Gyatsind B howitzers at firing positions near Novogrodskaya in Donetsk People's Republic have been neutralized. Russian aerospace forces Su-35 fighters have shot down in the air 2 Su-25 assault aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Barvenkovo, Kharkov region, and Troitskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 1 MiG-29 near Krasnopolye, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means intercepted 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Melitopol in Zaporozhye region and Ternovaya and Veselaya in Kharkov region, 3 .U ballistic missiles, 20 rockets for Uragan MLRS near Chernobyevka in Kherson region, and 5 rockets for Smerch multiple launch rocket system near Brashkovka in Kharkov region. In total, 242 Ukrainian airplanes and 137 helicopters, 1,506 unmanned aerial vehicles, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,995 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 741 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,127 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,128 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.